Hello everyone. Today we're addressing a common challenge for many students: how to eliminate distractions while studying. Distractions can seriously hinder your productivity and focus, making it hard to get your work done. If you're struggling to stay on task or find your study sessions are frequently interrupted, this video is for you. Let's dive into some effective strategies to help you eliminate distractions and create a more productive study environment. Tip number 1. Identify your common distractions. The first step to eliminating distractions is to identify what commonly distracts you. Whether it's your phone, noisy surroundings, or social media, knowing your distractions is crucial for tackling them effectively. Make a list of what pulls your attention away from studying so you can address each one. Tip number 2. Create a distraction-free study space. Set up a study space that minimizes potential distractions. Choose a quiet area where you can focus without interruptions. Keep your desk clutter-free and ensure that all your study materials are within reach. A dedicated study space helps create a mental boundary between study time and leisure time. Tip number 3. Use technology wisely. Leverage technology to manage distractions rather than add to them. Turn off non-essential notifications on your phone or computer. Consider using apps designed to block distracting websites and social media during your study sessions. Tools like focus mode or do not disturb settings can help maintain your concentration. Tip number 4. Set clear boundaries with others. Let the people around you know your study schedule and the importance of minimizing interruptions during those times. Set clear boundaries with family members, friends, or roommates so they respect your study time. Use a do not disturb sign or indicate study times on a shared calendar if needed. Tip number 5. Break down tasks into manageable chunks. Large tasks can feel overwhelming and lead to procrastination. Break your study tasks into smaller, manageable chunks and focus on completing one at a time. This approach makes studying feel less daunting and helps you maintain concentration on specific tasks. Tip number 6. Implement the Pomodoro technique. The Pomodoro technique is a time management method that involves studying for 25 minutes, followed by a 5-minute break. After completing 4 Pomodoros, take a longer break. This technique helps maintain focus by creating structured study periods and regular breaks, reducing the likelihood of distractions. Tip number 7. Keep distraction-free tools and materials. Make sure all the tools and materials you need for studying are readily available and organized. This reduces the need to get up frequently and potentially get sidetracked. Have everything you need within arm's reach to keep your study sessions smooth and focused. Tip number 8. Practice mindfulness and concentration techniques. Enhance your focus and reduce susceptibility to distractions by practicing mindfulness and concentration techniques. Simple exercises like deep breathing, meditation, or mindfulness apps can improve your ability to stay present and concentrated during study sessions. And that's a wrap on how to eliminate distractions while studying. By setting up a distraction-free environment, using technology wisely, and implementing effective time management strategies, you will be able to maintain better focus and productivity. If you found these tips helpful, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to Let's Tute, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss any update. Share your own strategies for managing distractions or ask questions in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.